Use my car.
Hun, knock it off.
Please.
No.
Tami.
I gotta give him something. Something. He needs something.
Han. Han.
Hun, stop.
Use
Good morning, Philippines.
Quiet. Quiet. Roxy. You scared that deer out of there? Okay, leave that deer alone. Kaloka, enough with that. Enough. Grabe yung ulan. Sobrang aga pero ulan ng ulan. Your mama's good girl. Nalibang. Maayo kabuutan man sa akong lady. Uy, good girl man na, uy. Nalibang. Nangihi man na bisag ulan. Kasi akala niya andun pa yung deer. Ang lakas ng ulan. Hindi na ito aahon bang ulan eh. Bukirin tayo guys. Bukirin yung ano ko, garden. Masaya oh. Yung salad ko rin oh. Ang saya ng salad ko. Ang dami na lang. Kailangan na siyang harvest. Kasi marami na. I'm trying to look guys. I've been looking this paper for how many times already. Can't find our septic, but look at that nosy. Nosy. So, this is from the previous owner sa bahay. Ito yung mga tinira nila dito. It's like, I've been looking at this over and over. Baka na hindi ko nakita, ganun. You crazy little boy. This is all the client.
Paranoia-filled days later.
Oh, gagawa pala ako ng ano para sa eggplant. Yung eggplant. Ang daming kumakain. Ay, ginawa ko. Nasisira talaga yung eggplant. Ang daming kumain. Ito din. Nasira yung bunga. Yes, ang liit nito. Oh, may bunga na. Where are you going, Rox? Kailangan nang i-harvest. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh, kailangan na talaga siyang i-harvest. Malaki na siya. Lakahapin. Sino kayang may gusto ng salad? Salad. Parang hindi masaya. Tubigan natin.
Well, see if there's anything real to put out there.
Who is she?
And on the news, when she was actually on Fox News, she said, "Oh, before I do that story, let me give you this story." And she said, "I'm going to turn. I've been recording my bosses for so long. I'm going to record. And that was on the Fox News. She let it out.
So now she's in trouble?
Oh yeah, they fired her instantly.
Ito pa rin yung suot ko. Binalik ko. Pagkatapos bumangon natin. So yun. Kasi komportable. And also, makati kasi dito sa paa ko, sa legs. Meron tayong poison ivy. And then yung kahapon dito, hindi pa rin nawawala. Good morning, good morning, good morning everything. So magluluto po tayo ng fried rice. Ala, ano yun? So alis po si Tami ngayong araw. Saan siya alis? Trabaho po. So, yun. And then, tayo lang naman dito. At hindi ako aalis kasi gusto kong gamitin niya yung sasakyan ko. Ipagamit ko sa kanya yung sasakyan ko dahil para back and forth kasi siya pag wala siyang trabaho the next day. So, uwi siya dito. So, alam nyo na yung gas. Mahal ng gas ngayon. Tumaas. Dahil sa mga politikong loko-loko. So, magkatay ng gas ngayon, guys. Andito pa si Tami. Nagbibihis lang siya. Paalis na siya. And wala tayong lakad kasi ipagamit ko kay Tami yung sasakyan ko kasi alam nyo na. Mas mabuti yung sasakyan ko kaysa kanya. Yung gas mileage. And also, para naman komportable siya sa pagdadrive. Kasi, hindi siya komportable kasi maliit. Pero, sa gas mileage, yung akin is maganda talaga gamitin kaysa kanya. Binigyan ko pa rin ng mga pagkain yung dito. Yung pusa sa labas. And ito yung binigay ko kasi hindi gusto ng mga pusa ko. So, I don't know kung gusto ng pusa yung mga outsider. Yung pusa sa kapitbahay, hindi na namin nakita. Hindi namin alam kung anong nangyari. Ganun. Kasi usually, magtatawag-tawag yan sila. Palagi nilang tinatawag. Pero lately, mga 2 weeks na. 2 weeks? Lately, hindi ko talaga nakikita yung pusa na yun. Hindi namin alam, nag-alala si Tami, kailangan niyang kausapin na yung kapitbahay kung anong nangyari, or baka nasa loob ng bahay lang kasi may something, ganun. Pero nag-alala kami kasi anong nangyari kay Liam, di ba? Palagi yun magbisita kapag mag-ano ako sa labas. Magbisita yan, guys. Palagi yung lumalapit sa akin. At kay Tami din. Usually, hindi yan lumapit sa akin, pero nang lumapit siya kay Tami, nag-start siyang lumapit sa akin. Pero, hindi ko alam ang nangyari talaga. Pero marami akong nakikita ng ibang pusa. Yung mga brown, na dark brown, may mga light brown. You want me to help you? Really girly. Now I have to buy him pink color. I really need to put a bow in his ear. Han, I really wanna do that.
I don't want to.
But can I try, Han?
No.
Yung gamit niya sa sasakyan ko. We have to fold this thing properly, ha? What are you doing? Oh, you carry some stuff? Huh? Oh my god. Okay, is that heavy? What is it, honey?
Take this stuff though. This is silver though. This is silver.
Han, you cannot go to Costco anymore.
Let's go downstairs.
Boy,
On the shelf downstairs.
Han, I'm not. No. You cannot do this anymore. Are you done?
Nope.
I'm gonna start throwing stuff out from this house. Okay, put water in it. You're gonna use my car? Huh?
This is my car.
Whatever, Tommy.
Oh, yeah, one more thing.
Use my car.
This is the basement.
Han,
This goes in the house.
use my car. Can you use my car?
Bye, Nan.
Use my car. Can you use my car?
No. This goes in the house.
Please. Use my car. Tommy?
I don't know. when you have your car, in case anything.
Use my car.
Hun, knock it off.
Please.
No.
Tommy.
What happens if something changes?
Tommy.
Hun, forget it. I can't talk to you
Yan, napagod na ako nito. Tommy, honey. Honey, my love, so sweet. Honey, use my car.
What'd you do with that box?
Honey, use my car.
What'd you do with that box?
It's in the for the bin downstairs.
You can bring it down.
Oh, is that supposedly here?
Where is it?
It's in the laundry area. Let's go downstairs.
You're gonna go downstairs anyway. Do it.
Use my car.
No.
Use my car, please.
I gotta give him something before I go.
Use my car for safety.
No.
For the
Knock it
gasoline.
off,
for the gasoline station. Tommy.
I gotta give him something. Something. He needs something.
Han.
Stop.
Use
Allah.
my
The
car.
camera wait. Stop.
Use my car. Honey, when I die, Han, that's all you can remember, Han.
Yeah.
Han, use my car. Use my car, Han. Han.
Knock it off.
When I die, you will keep that car forever. Okay? Use my car. Han.
You're really being annoying. I know you do it on purpose. All these.
Tommy. Love, honey. So sweet. Use my car.
Would you please knock it off? Is it like necessary for you to keep doing that to be annoying?
Use my. Are you gonna use my car?
No, I'm not.
Use my car.
Damn camera off. No, I'm not.
Napagod ka na, sir. That's how you make.
Somebody annoyed.
That's how you make your. That's how you make your relationship stronger.
Yeah. That's it. That'll work. Give it a try, guys. See how that works. You switch.
Hey, don't do that to your husband that you don't know well. Okay, that you don't trust and you don't know well what's he react. But this one, I know this guy so well. And here's my car.
Too annoying.
Oh my God. It's time for me to cut the grass. Kailangan kong mag-cut na ng grass, guys. So, yun. Hindi ko na kayo dalhin kasi boring naman. Turn lang ako. So, it's already 11:37 and so, yun. Cut lang tayo ng grass. Mainit naman. So, I think the grass is, it is wet. It's wet. It's dry enough. Okay, guys. My bird doon. Hold on, honey, ha? Oh, the bird is still here. Look, tignan nyo, guys. Look, it's right there. Bigyan natin ng pagkain. Dahan-dahan tayo. Okay, let's see. Let me feed him. I don't know what's wrong with him. Oh, he's not flying, Han. Hold on. Oh, look, he's flying. Oh, hala. Oh my God. He fell. He fly and he fell. He's afraid. But he doesn't know how to fly. No, it's not the wings. It's the legs.
The legs don't affect their flying.
Hold on. Maybe. Let me see. His wing won't open. Oh my God, I wish I don't do anything. I don't know what's going on. What the heck?
You nurse him back to health? But this time for real?
No, it's his fault. He ran away to the bushes. He ran away. Let me see, where is he? Yeah, he ran away under the bushes. Oh, it's right there. Oh my God, she's struggling to run. What's wrong with the birds? I wish I just leave him alone, huh? What's wrong with the bird suddenly? It's like, tapos na ako dito nag-cut, guys. 8 o'clock na, guys, pero look, 8 o'clock ng gabi, pero look, tignan nyo. 8 o'clock, yun. Ito yung 8 o'clock natin, pero may nagka-cut doon sa ano, doon sa likuran. May nag-cut ng grass doon. Sa mga kakahuyan yan, sa mga prutasan, may nag-cut. So, I really like that lawnmower. Like, zero turn. Yung magto-turn lang siya na patuyok, ganon. Hindi yung sa akin backing pa, ganon. Parang siyang sasakyan yung sa akin. Yung zero turn na ano, lawnmower is ano siya. Maganda siya kasi patuyok ka, ganon. Basta magindi siya, guys. Kain lang po tayo, guys. Kain tayo konti ng broccoli rub. So, yan. 8 o'clock na. Wala akong ginawa. Kundi, nag-ano lang ako. Nag-edit ng 2 video. And, suya on. Yun yung ginawa ko. And, ano ba yung kakainin ko? Yun lang, gulay. Broccoli rub lang yung kainin natin. Yung lang. Konti lang. Para may ulam si Tami bukas. Kasi, uuwi yun bukas. Wala siyang trabaho bukas eh. So, sabi niya, uuwi daw siya. So, yan. Tayo lang dito, guys. 8 o'clock na ng gabi. Maaga. Okay, maglagay tayo ng cayenne pepper sa ano, labas. Dito tayo magsimula. Simula noon at ngayon. Every time na uulan, makati sa ilong. Dito tayo sa kami. Okay na to. Ang dami kong na ano eh. Mahal po ito, mga $5 I think. Okay, let's go. So ito, next time natin ilagay. Kapag uulan, mag-reapply tayo. Ito yung tingin sa labas, guys. Yung plant natin. Hi, Diab. Diab. Diab.